Welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome once again to our viewers on onespotmedia.com.
We begin with a Primetime News follow-up. Night and weekend court hearings are just a few of the changes being considered to ease the rush at the St. Andrew Traffic Court.
Scores of motorists were again left frustrated as they stood in line for hours to pay outstanding traffic tickets.
Now, our reporter Jamaica Maitland caught up with Chief Justice Brian Sykes during a visit to the Melbourne Road location in St. Andrew.
Frustrated motorists swarmed the court officials to find out how to clear their outstanding tickets. Enmore Daly, who's from St. Catherine, says he arrived at the traffic court in St. Andrew sometime after 6 a.m. and 6 hours later, he's yet to see the judge.
That's early bird catch most of me now. We're there for early and the room still now come out I go. Thing not organized up. That's still the process like, and we can stick again. They're not dealing with like computer, manual thing and searching.
But he, like many others, argue that having missed the deadline to pay for a traffic ticket, another payment system can be established for those paying the fines.
They're not going to arms everybody I try to do it December 1st. You understand? So all I have to do is, give instruction, revenue them island wide and say, let them pay them ticket. You understand? If I increase, you tell them the amount them to pay. And pay, you don't have to see a judge for that, if you do that.
Now, there's much disquiet outside the traffic court as motorists struggle to listen for their names to be called to pay their outstanding tickets. Now, we overheard court officials saying they have to be searching through boxes of documents to find some of these outstanding tickets. And they say, well, if your documents have not been collected and if your name has not yet been called, you can simply go home.
Chief Justice Brian Sykes, who was on location, asked for patience. He says aside from more chairs and tents to make citizens more comfortable while they wait, an additional 20 hours of court to address the crowd is being discussed.
We'll be looking at the question of night court. It's going from 5 until 9. Court offices used to be open from 9 until 1 on Saturdays many years ago. So we'll have to revert into something like that. Yes, until this immediate crisis has been resolved.
He declined to comment when asked when the new changes will be implemented. He described the crowd size as unusual, supposedly caused by warnings to motorists by Island Traffic Authority to clear the tickets by December 1. Philip has 170 outstanding tickets. The motorist revealed that he was reckless when he amassed most of them totaling over $200,000. Now a more responsible driver, he's trying to pay them all, but...
As I said, most of these tickets are when I was driving minibus. I'm a taxi operator right now. And I was young and fool. I was running down the hype of those minibuses with the loud music. So this is just a phase that we went through as a young person growing up. I'm a man, I have a family to feed and a family to take care of. So I want to pay them to have my license to work same way. That's all I want to do right now.
Jamaica Maitland, TVJ News.